So we've been looking at significant digits and how we do calculations, but we haven't talked about one critical thing, and that is how do we, where do significant digits really come from? Like how do we said that significant digits are from measurements, but how do you actually measure while accounting for significant digits? So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Okay, so first is measuring length. So when you're measuring length, let's say you want to measure the length of this. So whenever we're measuring anything, the last digit that you have should be estimated, okay? So if you look here, we know for certain that the length of this line here is between 5 and 6. Okay, so that's a certain digit. Now we're going to take one more digit and and estimate it. So we'd say this is like maybe 5.6. But we would not say 5.65 because the 6 and that 5.6 that is estimated. Okay, so we only have one estimated digit. So we have all the digits which are certain, and then we have an estimated digit. Okay, so that's how rulers work. Now, with graduated cylinders, these measure volume of liquids. So the thing with liquids is they often have, especially water, they often have this kind of curve thing, and this is called a meniscus. That's meniscus, meniscus. So they tend to curve. So whenever we're measuring liquids, we look at the bottom of the meniscus. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So we look at the bottom of the meniscus. So that'll be down here. So here again, like I said, we want to make sure the last digit we have is estimated. So we know for sure, if you look at the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know the lines are series of 2's. Okay, so this line would be 6.2. This line would be 6.4. This line would be 6.6. This line would be 6.8, and then we get to 7. So we know the bottom of this meniscus, so it's like down here, bottom of the meniscus, is between 6.4 and 6.6. So then the next digit that we estimate would be the estimated digit. So we'd say something like maybe, if you look here, looks somewhere, maybe 6.47, something like that. But we just stop there. Okay, we not keep going. We wouldn't estimate 6.47 something something something. We just have two we have the two certain digits and we have one estimated digit and then we stop there. Okay? So that's how we estimate with graduated cylinders. Okay. And then the last thing is with the balance. So a balance kind of you don't have to really use any method. But it's important to note that here, let's say the mass of this thing here is 372.3 grams. So the 3, the 7, and the 2 are certain digits, and the last digit right here, this 0.3, is actually also estimated by the balance. Okay? So pretty simple. You have all your certain digits, no matter what you're measuring it. Whether it's an electronic thing or it's something you're measuring by yourself, the 3 digits, what am I saying? The measurement, you take all the certain digits and then the last digit is estimated. Just one digit, which is the last one, is estimated, and that's how you know you've taken a measurement using the correct right amount of significant digits. Alright, so that's it for now. Measuring using significant digits is as simple as that.